Hello, this is Guy7, and today I'm going to tell you how to use the Hubwizard and auto-configure Kodi for you. Now, first thing you want to do is install Kodi itself. Now, I already have it installed, but I'm going to show you how to install it. Go to kodi.tv, hit downloads, and then click on the Windows installer. If you're not running Windows, hit the Mac OS installer, or the Android, or the Raspberry Pi, or even jailbreak your iOS if you want to. If you have Linux, then you could use the terminal, do sudo apt get install Kodi, and there, got it. There. But most likely you're not running Linux. Now once it finishes downloading, open the .exe, however you open them. Now obviously it's not going to work for me because I'm not on Windows, but it will for you, and then just follow the instructions to install. Now once it installs, you should have it somewhere. It might be on your desktop. You might have to search for the application somehow. But you could go click on it. There, loads Kodi. To get out of full screen, you hit the button above the enter, and you could use it to get back into full screen. Remember that? Don't know what that is about, because it will be helpful. Now use the arrow keys here. I don't know why you can't use the mouse. Now hit enter over at source. For the path, sorry about that, I needed to pause it. Now for the path, enter enter it exactly as I type it. Fusion.tv add-ons.ag. Then hit done. Enter a name like Fusion. Doesn't have to be exact, but I just recommend calling it Fusion. Now hit OK. If you did this correctly, scroll up to Fusion, hit the enter button, and if you see a screen or something similar to this, then you did it right. Now after you did this, under the system, go to settings, then hit add-ons. Hit OK. If you don't see the OK, then it's fine. No big deal. Hit install from zip file. Click on the Fusion. Hit start here. Then hit Hubwizard. Now you will see this config wizard add-on enabled. To access it, go to programs. Then hit config wizard. Now you should see all these screens like Mac, Windows. If you click on the device you're using, most likely it's going to be Windows, but for me it'll be Linux. Then hit yes. Let it download all the necessary files and add-ons. Now hit OK once it finishes, and you should see a screen like this. If you don't have the exact same background, then that's okay, but you should see tvaddons.ag somewhere. Now you could hit videos, add-ons. You could hit things like, if you like anime, you could go into Phoenix. There's probably something in here about it. I don't know, it's one of these. But anyways, one of the most popular things you could use is Exodus. That's what I like using. Now, if you like TV shows, you could go here. You could hit search. Let's just say you like Bleach or any other TV show. There. Click it right here for season. So now if you click something like this, you'll see a screen, something like that happen. Now you will see something like this most likely when you click on something. What this is a list of sources. Some of these work, some of them don't. You could just, let's see if this one works. It'll do something like that. And if it works successfully, it'll have that, and then it'll eventually load. And that's pretty much it. To exit Kodi, you go home, and then you hit the power button, and then hit exit. It's not always instant, but sometimes it is. And that's pretty much how you set up Fusion. And Kodi, or whatever. That's it.